Assalamu alaikum friends! Welcome back to Ahmed ki Duniya. Today, we are learning of animals and their babies. In this part, we will meet amazing wild animals and learn the names of their babies. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a deer. And this is a baby deer. Do you know what a baby deer is called? A fawn. This is a lion. And this is a baby lion. Do you know what a baby lion is called? The baby lion is called a cub. This is an elephant, and this is a baby elephant. Do you know what a baby elephant is called? A baby elephant is called a calf. This is a giraffe, and this is a baby giraffe. Do you know what a baby giraffe is called? A baby giraffe is called a calf.
This is a zebra, and this is a baby zebra. Do you know what a baby zebra is called?
A baby zebra is called a foal. This is a fox, and this is a baby fox. Do you know what a baby fox is called? A baby fox is called a kit. This is a wolf, and this is a baby wolf. Do you know what a baby wolf is called? A baby called a pup. This is a kangaroo, and this is a baby kangaroo. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. This is a tiger, and this is a baby tiger. Do you know what a baby tiger is called? A baby tiger is called a cub. MashaAllah! Today we learned about wild animals and the names of their babies. I hope you enjoyed learning with me. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ahmed ki Duniya. See you in the next adventure. It was the best day ever! I'll miss you all. Allah Hafiz.